kain kay kanta sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na belas ng silanganan, wari na tipo ng kayamanan sa may kapal. Bigay sa'king talino sa mabuti lang laan, sa aking katutubo ang maging mapagmahal. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, isang bansa sang diwa ang minimiti ko. Sa bayan ko't bandila, laan buhay ko't diwa, ako ay Pilipino, Pilipinong totoo. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino ang Pilipino ay ako.
Medical mission here in one of the depressed barangays in Hinigaran Negros Occidental, in close coordination with Councilor Attorney Doug Pandan and his family. Beside me are volunteer nurses from the Rural Health Unit here in Hinigaran. I would like them to introduce themselves one by one. On my right side, please introduce yourself, ma'am.
I'm Rena Sanogal in DP, which is short for ng Nurses Deployment Program of DOH.
Okay.
And we are assigned in RHU in Hinigaran. We conduct health teaching or support the program of DOH with the help of RHU.
And can you just tell me what is the name of this barangay?
Barangay Kambao, Hinigaran.
And this consists of how many families?
This is your barangay.
So you are in charge.
In charge of this
This lady. What's your name, ma'am? Introduce yourself
I'm Jamel
first.
Karen Sinunya.
Okay. You are barangay health midwife or barangay
nurse, sir.
Oh, nurse. You are a registered nurse. But this is your catchment area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell us how many families in this barangay? More or less.
Kaya nga mundok, we are
Oo.
assigned more on NHTS. Bala,
Ano ng NHTS?
mga poorest of the poor nga ginano sa ating government, amo gina siyang focus gid namon. Kag may household didok nga
So ikaw ang, can you please come over kay konting kuan na anay pa kay ginanglan ko magpamangkot sa mga kay data gathering ko, no? Dali.
Every sityo ang Barangay Kambao may 7 sityos. Kada sityos may 20 household nga na-hold sang NSTS. Member nga BHW, BNS.
Pero before you tell us about the details, introduce yourself, Anay, kay kinanglan mabalaan naton pangalan.
My name is Lina Guillema, bali sa sityo Langka. Kuya na-assign nga BHW.
Oo, Sitio Langka is pila na kalayo diri sa inyo nga barangay.
Layo pa.
Ha?
Layo pa kung mang highway ko, bali mga 3 rides ko.
So kini karon nga nakita ko kakadamo gid sa mga pasyente nga gahulat-hulat o tabi pakita naton sila. Say hi mga pasyente naton nga gahulat. Oh, kay makita kamo sa video. Oh, kadamo sa ila sa guwa sa kuan. O gahulat sa sagwa. Makita na sila. So more or less pila ni sila ka pamilya karon dire.
Nang kuha na ni Guro ka sityo kay wala na di ang tuburan kay pista nila sa bundok.
So pila ka sityo karon
Bali,
dire.
ano lang, sityo, ay, pani 7 sityos.
Lapit-lapit anay dire.
Bali, pito ka sityo ang subong bao na niyari na di kagang sityo Mungkal, sityo Langka, kag bao proper. Bali, ang tuburan ng wala kay
So
pista
daw
nila.
apat ka sityos.
Apat ka sityos.
Under one barangay.
Oo, bali, under ni sa sang barangay Kambao.
Anong mga problema sa nga na-encounter niyo dire sa inyong barangay?
Jadi, bali, bulong.
Bulong, kakulangan
Kulang
sa
kami
bulong.
sa medicine.
Ang mga common nga sakit dire?
Nang damo diri high kalabanan, high blood.
High blood. Tama, damo kami dala para sa high
mga
blood.
kabataan, mayari man di iban nga may diabetes.
Oo. Kag ano pa? Sa mga kabataan. Mga sakit.
Antibiotic yung ubo.
Damo man tao para sa
Inanat.
antibiotic sa ubo. Karon, ano ang mga kay ubod naton ang in charge sa parang public health education? Anong mga programa na ang nabuhat ninyo dire to educate the community sa health and wellness? Ano nang na-start ninyo?
Gaya teaching kami about sa last sa ubo, syempre subok sa ato nga chimpo do ano magid mo na galing lain ng chimpo sa mga kabataan. Di usually ang ubo. Usually ang naman sa parents, ginahambala naman sa parents nga ano gid i-increase nila ang fluid nga takes nila ang mga bata.
Tama, oo.
Wala na usually mga lang bala nga mga advice do first aid lang bala. Pero once gani maglala ng ubo for 2 weeks, gina-refer na namon sa midwife, tapos na-refer na sa midwife sa RHU. Na dito na gina-continue nila nga pag-assist nila.
Oo, so far wala gid actual treatment at the level sa barangay.
Mayara sila mga meds man nga para gid sa ubo, pero ginaano na for naristahan na sa midwife, pero for 7 days na. Kung hindi gid makuha.
Tama na.
na-refer na.
That means that it could be worse than just bronchitis, base tuberculosis. No, target natin na makuha natin ang mga active tuberculosis. Karon sa environmental sanitation, kabalumantang ang source ang mga kagaw ng kahiguan, no? Anong programa diri sa level sa barangay in terms of environmental sanitation?
Sa RHU, mayroon sila kabay nga program nga sa sanitation. Sila na ang kakadto every barangay to conduct mga ng cleaning program sila nga barangay. Pero
Wala problema ang tubig, limpyo ang tubig nga ginainom.
Hindi bomba.
Ang bomba gina-chlorinate man, gina-chlorinate man. Napabakti. So far wala diri gakalat sa epidemya sa mga taitae, LBM, amoebiasis, gastroenteritis, wala subong sila dire. Wala. Maayo, no? Kaya kumpara ko dito sa lugar sa mga Mindanao, Cotabato, every now and then may outbreaks sa mga gastroenteritis, kasi agad cholera pa. So di na problema din ng mga gastrointestinal diseases. Hindi gaga, no? Pero madatingala lang kung nga daw may mataas ang problema sa hypertension, diabetes, nga ang gataas. Nagataas ng problema.
Lifestyle siguro sa katao.
Kasi ng doktor
Diri ka, ma'am.
kasi inheritance man sang pamilya, kanyara man pamilya nga high blood doon. Pagkamon niya mga linyada, amo pamilya high blood
doon. So karon in terms of education and prevention, anong ginatubo ninyo sa mga tao nga prone sila sa hypertension, diabetes, ano gid ang mga programa nga daw ma-prevent man more or less daw nga di magdamo?
Early detection, early consultation sa imong mga midwife, kay sa barangay. Dapat kung nabalaan mo lang ito kalay, matsyag mo, hindi na pag-ipadugayon pa, dapat i-consult na yun sa midwife para drop pa lang agapan na pala.
Ginatawag natin metabolic disorder, no, like diabetes, no? Ang cause gid sina is the nutritional kuan, no? Ang problema kay base gakaon ta sa mga pagkaon nga high in glycemic index, no? What do I mean by that? No, may mga carbohydrate source, no, nga taas ang ila potential nga ma-convert din sa blood sugar, di ba? Example of that I said earlier, white rice, white sugar, no? So dito ta karon sa mga hindi white na source ng carbohydrates. Nakaon ng mga tao din sa mga brown rice, brown sugar,
Usually, Doc, syempre, nga, sa food race nga sa atin nga mas validate. Actually, white rice lang ginang
Gani mo nang effort ko no kami sa Beautiful Heart Foundation. Ara kami ginatawag nga CHARM no or Center for Holistic Alternative and Restorative Medicine nga ginatuduan namon sila ng alternative approaches to health. In example of that, no, food as medicine, no, food as medicine. No, eat foods that are healthy, nutritious, cheap, affordable. No, let's go back to the vegetables and fruits. No, kumusta ang pagkaon sa vegetables kag fruits dire?
Wala, gini ko problema.
Dahil na di may mga garden man ng mga sa garden sa palibot.
So later on mag-check ko kung may mga gardening dire.
Kasi buong wala kay tig. Linit na way ulan patay.
Way ulan pero ginapush ko gid kada community nga maabutan ko.
Kaya ang produkto subong sang rice gani pigaw.
Pigaw.
Cropping kay alabanan wala irrigation.
Oo, kay wala irrigation mo na problema.
Lubo ang patubas.
So magtanong siguro sa mga vegetables nga di kinahanglan gid sa damo matubig. Damo man mga vegetable nga di kinahanglan sa tubig. No? So later on itudlo na namon no whether you learn this from YouTube's, you learn this from Facebook, or you learn this from texting. No? That is what we are doing in the Beautiful Heart Foundation. Not only giving free medical services and free medicine, but we are also concentrating on really educating and training, empowering people that they can do it themselves. No, ang role ta naton ng mga healthcare professionals or civic organizations is just to guide them. No, but in the long run, the partnership should be the local community. No, kamo gyapon ang mag-solve sa inyong problema. At the level of the grassroots communities, always remember na ang partner ninyo, whether government or non-government, is just partners. Hindi gina sila magtinir-dira 24/7. No, kamo gyapon. Karon, what about parasitism? Kay common sa mga bata sa mga poor communities, malnutrition, no? Mali ang ginapakaon, no? Labi pa karon kay ang paborito sa mga nanay kag mga bata, fast foods. Kay dali man magbakal sa mga pagkaon nga fast foods, which is not a good practice, no? It's not a good practice. Imagine mga fast food centers, very oily ang ilang ginaluto, no? Ang mga manok nga ginaluto nila, kuan, no? Ginapatambok sa mga steroids, ginapatambok may mga insecticides. That's the reason why we have so many cases of cancer, no? Because of this mga fast food chains, no? So the best gapon is yung traditional way of cooking food, no? From vegetables and eating fruits, no? Especially those fruits and vegetables that are high in antioxidants, no? May idea ka mo kung ano ang ginasiling nga high in antioxidants? Malanin nyo kung ano na. One way nga matest ninyo ang isa ka prutas o ka vegetable nga high in antioxidants kung makapamantsa. Kung ara puti nga bayo, kag mamansahan, kag digid makuha, pag makamantsa, muna siya ang high in antioxidants.
Tagok niya sa
Lumboy.
So mga lumboy, mangustin, mangga, mga dugas ang kamutitaps, maliban sa malnutrition because of wrong intake of nutritious, affordable. Daw kalimtan na kay abi nila ang pinaka-best food nang nasa dilata, nang sa fast food. Ang dilata ka di na healthy kay damo na siya salt kag mga preservatives. Gusto mo na sugdan ninyong ibalik gitong kanuna nga pamaagi sa pagluto, pananom sa luto. Di ka mo mga bata pala ginatuduan ninyo nga magkaon-kaon sa mga fast foods. That's not healthy. Soft drinks. Soft drinks. Nga soft drinks, kadamo butong dire.
Mahal ang butong.
Mas mahal ang buto. Pero if you check how many sugar ang botelya sang Coke, kadamo sang sugar. Kagway di ba? So among healthcare professionals, no kitang magpaintindi sa tao, Pero kung kita mismo healthcare professionals, ang gakaon sa fast food, kita ang, di ba? Kita ang gakaon sa mga pagkaon na may preservative. Anong mensahe ginahatag natin sa ating mga tao? Di ba? So, karon sa mga bata, ang isa ko nakita sa cause of parasitism is hygiene. No? Ang ibang lugar, gina-check ko mga bata, kuko nila, gina-check ko ang kuko. Kumusta ang mga kuko sa mga bata diri?
Niyaraman niya, tinlok, niyaraman niya.
Pwede ba i-program sa mga barangay kada Lunes, papilahon ang mga bata, i-check ang mga kuko?
Sa school, oh. Sa school, kinakilo na sila.
Oo.
Tapos kina-inspection sang teachers ang mga...
O saan mga ginabuhat sa mga school, no?
Sa school, ginapurga man sa school.
O, ginapurga, oo. So,
may ang lo sa buwet, may feeding.
may feeding at school.
Napidingan, oo.
Pero again, ang pinaka-problem as we develop the community, nag-advance ang community, ang stress, ang bugat, no? Karon ang magani kag ginasugdan ko music as therapy because music is a stress relief. No? Not only music actually, tanan nga mga performing arts, no? Whether drama or dancing, no? So i-post ninyo na sa community ninyo, no? May kanta-kanta, may sayaw-sayaw, may di ba? Para that's healthy lifestyle. Magsumba ka mo dire, kay ara mo ano lugar. Katag tabulong karon libre. Pero this is very seasonal, no? Di ni katabo as I said 24/7. What we can live in the community are ideas, no? Health education, no? Nga, and of course, ang bottom line sini, kamo gid diri ang mag-implement sa mga programa. Kamo diri at the grassroots, kamo bilang barangay health worker, no? I'm very happy nga you are very active, no? And most of the time, tanan nga mga barangay health workers, they're very active, no? With a very minimal kuan lang siguro, no? Incentive to be a barangay health worker. Serbisyo publiko. No? Pero with that kind of attitude nga daw volunteerism, that is what we need now, no? Mga para bayanihan. Anyway, thank you for your support, for the support that you've been giving to the barangay, to Councilor Attorney Dag Pandan, and hopefully as we identify your problems here, the Beautiful Heart Foundation, in collaboration with another big organization we are trying to create, the ITA or the Ilonggo Tacon Association, no, we can deliver more assistance. No? We talk already about sound systems, we talk about internet connectivity. These are doable projects. It's just that we need to find out the needs in the community. We need to connect with generous people outside the community, even worldwide. No? Kadamo sa mga successful mga Ilonggos, no? That they are very willing to help, except they just don't know where to start, kung diin magsugod. No? Now that we have talked about this, some of these problems, we already talked of the steps that you have done, and hopefully you will continue doing. Our point is, we would like to transform a poor community like your barangay into more advanced, peaceful, and healthier communities. Okay? Salamat, kids.
So I would like to welcome our Honorable Vice Mayor to give us a short message. You are seen at the Beautiful Heart Show at KMVT 15 in Silicon Valley, California.
Sa kay Dr. Mimimdes, ay mga parintig, kay Attorney Dag Pandan, ang aton SP member is Don Lopez, no? Maayong, si Feli Lopez, anak, no? Dari kami sa buong sa aming mga resort. Maayong hapon sa inyo tanan. Kami nagpasalamat, kids, sa amon nga pag medical mission. Halin kami sa Barangay Bagaas, diretso kami diri Subong para man mahatagan namo sa juta nga kalipay ang aton nga doktor nga naghatag sini nga mission nga libre ang consultation, libre ang buhatag namon hindi lang Barangay Bagaas, lima pag ito barangay ang among katuan para maserbisyuhan ang aton mga pumuluyo diri sa Banwa sa Hinigaran. So sa inyo tanan, maayong hapon, ari kami diri Subong, ginalingaw namon si Doktor.
Imbitahan sila guys, Mayor Gali.
Sa tourist spots diri sa
Come here
Hinigaran.
in Hinigaran and we will show you how.
The beauty of Hinigaran. Okay.
So, ari kami diri Subong sa Kanunoy Beach, no? Ang tagiya si Nonay Colmenares, si Inday Indang, no? Mga Colmenares family. So, if you want to visit Philippines, just drop by in Hinigaran and visit Kanunoy Beach Resort. So, sa inyo tanan, welcome ka mo diri sa Pilipinas. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vice Mayor, and of course, the Kanunoy Beach Resort. Now I will welcome my dear cousin, Kelly Hope. That's all. Sing with the Vice Mayor. I love you, and I joke on my reply. Rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie.
And who am I to judge you and what to say or do? Only just beginning to see just real you. And sometimes when we touch, there is things too much, and I have to close my eyes and cry.
Thank you, Vice Mayor. Future Mayor Hinigaran. Romance and old strategies leaves me battling with my pride. But through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my dreams. Earth, hills, and time, price, water, still trapped within my youth. Please welcome the future mayor. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty so much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you down with me, where we will both break. I'd rather hold you till the fear in me subsides. I need to light to breathe and drown you. Open the eyes of light. I hold you endlessly. Times of understanding, and I know what to try. I've watched you like a magic, and I've watched love pass you by. At times it is with you, so sitting but when the pressure brings again, sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the feelings in silence. Our next singer is my nephew, the son of Freddy Lopez. Ikaw ba next? Ikaw? Wala ko kanta. Anyway, let's welcome the beautiful ladies of Hinigaran. Please come over. I would like to meet you here. The beautiful ladies and the escort. Please come here.
The escort of Mr. Rizoma.
The escort of you will be seen in the Silicon Valley Community Television. Mahihain naman ito. Vice, magkalito na nakuhan mo. Ang basag dress of goodwill, mahihain. You know, you need to promote the beautiful city or town ko pala ito, no? The beautiful town of Hinigaran. I know Hinigaran is well known for beautiful women. Look at Vice Mayor, very beautiful.
Our Vice Mayor is defending the reigning queen of Miss Panaat Festival in Negros Occidental, formerly the queen of Barangay Tagda, and soon to be candidate for Miss Universe Search. That was not your dreams. I'll never give up, never want to lose. Deep inside, yes, my love's still alive, and nobody knows that I can't let you go. Well, I know you'll be forever. I gave you my heart forever. No one's never will.
And I tried to be strong, but my being cried, silent tears without fun. And I can't hold on to the feeling that's on, and there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing for you. And you gave for better, I gave you my heart forever and ever. No one sets me apart more than I do. No man can ever love you, no, it's true. No one can ever love you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If you ever lose your love, never lose your fire, baby, and die for your love. If you ever lose your love, everybody needs someone to love. No one can ever love you more than I do. No man can ever love you, girl, it's true. No one can ever love you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true.
Rala, bugin ni ang gingkan kako, ay Inday TV. Nga daw,
Isa ang inyong malaman sa hilangan o sa timog o kanluran at kahit sa pangman ang dating isisigaw ngayong aking mahal ngayong aking mahal
Very good.
Sa ulo,
Another future mayor of Hinigaran, my cousin. Another future mayor of Hinigaran. Attorney Dan Pandan. This is SA of Hinigaran, Lopez.
I've been alone with you inside my mind. I've been migrating beside your lips 1,000 times, and sometimes you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see your eyes, I can see your smile. You are everyone, and my arms are all around. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so. I love you.
Very good.
The future Vice Mayor of Hinigaran, SP Lopez. I long to see the sunlight in your head and tell you time and time again how much I care.
Hindi ko sana alam ito. Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Hello, I just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
Singer ka din.
Is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
Very good.
My dear cousin, Feli is a singer. It runs in the blood, no? It runs the Vignesa artist blood. Look at the son of my nephew, the son of Feli. Ito? is where we want to go. Holding down. I don't want to leave without you. Now these letters are calling. Only when I love you. One thing you can be sure, I'll never ask for more than yours. But these letters are calling. Only when I love you. The chase is alright, but nothing's gonna change. There's a kind of us all over the world tonight. All over the world, you can hear the sound. Love is enough. Just the two of us, and nobody else inside. There's nobody else that I feel alone. So listen very carefully. If one says I love you, you'll see what I mean. It isn't a dream. There's a kind of vibe all over the world tonight. All over the world, people just like us are holding on.
Again, we would like to greet our dear cousin here in Hinigaran. At the Black Panther, who will be the future president of Hinigaran. So listen very carefully.
See what I did. And this is me.
I would like to interview the Vice Mayor and waiting for the Vice Mayor. What are the beauty spots in Hinigaran other than this beautiful resort?
Where's Paradiso? Pulo Bitoring Beach? Maay Beach? Makikiling Beach? What more? I'm asking our honorable SB member, Icana Beach. And all the small beaches in Hinigaran.
Hinigaran is well known for the very exotic beaches here in Negros Occidental.
winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment, for an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start. With every beat of your heart.
Very good, huh? You know, our grandfather, yes, our old business, an artist. That's why it runs in the blood. We paint, we sing, we dance. We love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you from the start. Let's welcome the Vice Mayor now. Birthday celebration of SB member Tony Dan Pandan. Let's have a short message from the Senate from
Another year to go. Getting older. Feeling younger. Yeah. Everybody is invited tomorrow. If we love you, I need to call my reply. Never heard you honestly, endlessly moving on. And who am I to touch you from what you say or do? I'm only just a lawyer deceiving you. Or sometimes when we touch, the honesty is so much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you tonight, till you both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till you feel when we subside.
So confused, our hearts bruised. What's ever about you and me? So far, I never had your heart. it down, you have to stay here. Keep it busy every day. I know I will be okay, but I was so confused. My heart's loose. Was it ever about you? I'm so far. I never had your heart. And reach, could see we were never meant to be. So much hurt, so much pain, took so long to regain what is lost inside. And I hope that in time you'll be out of my mind. And I'll be so confused, my heart's bruised. Was there ever love about you? So far, I never had your heart. I just couldn't see we were never meant to be. And reach so far, you never gave your heart. In my reach, I can see there's a lot out there for me.
Very good. Short interview. Yeah. I would like to know your name and what school and course you're taking up. Interview na, interview.
Maria Pagkakanani.
Anong school, anong
Catholic College. Taking business administration.
You're very talented. I'm very proud of you being a Hinigarano. Thank you. Once again, maraming salamat sa ating Vice Mayor and of course our SB members for the advanced celebration of our dear cousin, Attorney Dan Pandan. Closing remark.
We are here because we just wanted to confirm our reservation for tomorrow's affair. Everybody come tomorrow. Everything is free. Okay? Hope you pray for all of us and we will pray for all of you.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Continue the love, the cooperation, and unity of my children. I beg you, Lord, to continue showering your blessings in our family and friends. May we continue to exist in this earth for a longer time. I will always ask for your daily guidance in whatever activity we are to undertake. In thy name we pray.
Amen. Amen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh.